Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to drive the Lamborghini Gallardo e-gear. This advanced system offers a thrilling experience, but requires a specific approach to master. We'll cover the essential steps from starting the engine to confidently navigating the road. The e-gear is an automated manual transmission, meaning it combines the feel of a manual with the convenience of automatic shifting. It's crucial to understand its unique characteristics for optimal performance and longevity. To begin, ensure your Gallardo is in neutral, indicated by an N on the dashboard display. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, press the start button to awaken the powerful V10 engine. Once the engine is running smoothly, pull the right paddle shifter towards you to engage first gear. You will feel a slight engagement as the car prepares to move. Always maintain pressure on the brake until you are ready to accelerate. Shifting gears in the e-gear system is intuitive, using the paddles behind the steering wheel. Pull the right paddle to upshift and the left paddle to downshift. For the smoothest upshifts, gently lift your foot off the accelerator for a fraction of a second as you pull the paddle. This mimics a manual clutch engagement, reducing jerkiness. When slowing down or preparing for a turn, downshift proactively to keep the engine in its optimal power band, ensuring exhilarating acceleration out of corners. When you're ready to park, bring the Gallardo to a complete stop using the brake pedal. To engage neutral, pull both paddle shifters towards you simultaneously. The N will reappear on your display. Always apply the parking brake firmly before turning off the engine. This prevents any unintended movement and ensures the transmission is not under strain. Finally, turn the ignition off, and your incredible driving experience with the Lamborghini Gallardo e-gear is complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.